today I'm going to do a different kind of video. I am going to unbox a beauty subscription box. So the Glamego team was kind enough to send me the January subscription box for me to try it out and to review it. So I will be unboxing this beauty box in front of you. So if you are interested in the January Glamego box, then please keep on watching. So if you already do not know about Glamego, so Glamego is India's top beauty subscription service, and the reason it is the best beauty subscription service in India is because it sends you really good and premium brands products only, and that too you get at a very cost effective rate. So if you are subscribing to Glamego box, you need not worry. They only send premium brand products in the subscription box, so you can rest assured that you are going to get good quality products only in the box. Coming to the subscription plans that Glamego has, so it has 4 different subscription plans. So if you subscribe to this box for just 1 month, you have to pay 399 rupees for that box. If you are subscribing for 3 months, you have to pay 329 rupees per month for each of the box, and if you want to subscribe it for 6 months, you have to pay 299 rupees every month for the box. And lastly, they also have a 12 months pack where you need to pay 289 rupees per month for each of the box. So according to me, it's a win-win situation. You're going to get 4 beauty or makeup products from premium brands, and that too for as low as 289 rupees. So I feel that this is the most affordable beauty service that we have in India, and that's the reason they are one of the best, or I think the best beauty service in India. And I think beauty subscription boxes is a very good concept, especially for people who really like to try out makeup and beauty stuff from different brands, or for someone who's just plainly lazy. So yeah, now let's start unboxing the January Glamego box. So this is how the January Glamego box look. It says #no resolutions. So every month Glamego comes with new themes for these boxes, and because it was New Year's, the January month box has the theme of no resolution, which I really vouch for. I don't have any resolution, so I really like the theme of the January box. So when you open this box, you get an information card, and it says thank you for making Glamego India's #1 subscription beauty box. And on the back it has all the details of everything that is in the box. So yeah, that was a card. The first thing that I feel very intrigued is this is the Bio Bloom facial oil. So this is how it looks, and this is a full-size product of 15 ml packaging, and Bio Bloom is a really good organic brand available in India. Plus this card says that this was exclusively launched only in the Glamego box. So if you want to buy this right now, you can only find it in the Glamego box, and you won't be able to buy it from anywhere else. So that's really great. Plus the MRP of this product is $14.99. $14.99 for just the first product that I pulled out from that box, and the box in itself cost you 399 rupees max. So we are already over and above the box value by just one product. So yeah, that's the first thing. So the next thing I can see here is this. This is the McAfee Neem Caffeine Face Wash. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this 50 ml face wash cost you 350 rupees. So yeah, almost the price of the box itself. I have heard about this brand actually, and I also found it on Nykaa. Let me read about it. And this is a face wash having caffeine and neem, plus this is paraben free. Let me just sniff it, although my nose is completely choked. Oh, smells really good. Smells really good, guys. I'm really excited to try this one. Moving on, the next product that I can see here is this. This is the Natural Bath and Body Vital Nourishment Cream, and of course this is also a sample size product and has 20 ml of product. So this is how it looks. So I'm just going to read a bit about this product. So it says it's the Grapefruit Vitamin C Vital Nourishment Cream. So yeah, that was the third product. And the last product that we have is this Bella Voste Perfect Gloss. I've heard about this brand. It is a makeup brand, and you can find their product on Nykaa also. So this is the Bella Voste the Perfect Gloss, and it says that it is formulated in Italy, and it's a 3.2 ml packaging. So this is a full-size product, and actually I already knew about this product because they sent me a link so that I could choose the shade of the lip gloss, and I chose the shade 02 Rust Crush. So let me show you guys. So this is how the outer packaging looks. So this is how the product looks like. It looks very similar to the Colourpop packaging. So let me show you the shade. So this is how the shade looks like. And I actually went for a lighter shade because I was looking for a lipstick topper. I did not want a very deep shade lip gloss, and that's why I went for the lighter shade. So this is how the lip gloss looks like. This is called the color Rust Rage. Let me just put it on my lips, just a little bit. So yeah, that's how it's looking on me. I am actually liking it a lot, and it's not that usual glosses that are really sticky. It's pretty comfortable according to me. So yeah, that's the last product in the subscription box. I am actually really happy with all the products that I got in the subscription box. I feel like these are good brands. Some of the brand I already knew about. So I knew about the McAfee one, the Bio Bloom one, the Bella Woste one. So these are not unknown brands. You do know about these brands, and most of these products are pretty costly. So let's do the math and let's calculate the actual value of the products that I got in this. So the oil was for $14.99, the gloss is for $15.99, and the nourishment cream, the natural bath and body cream, is for $2.20, and the McAfee face wash is for $3.50. So the total value of the products that I got in the January box is 2,668, and in case you subscribe for the 12 months or the 6 months plan, you're actually paying only 299 rupees, which is such a steal, guys. Plus I'm really happy with all the products that I got in the January box. So I would highly encourage you guys to go buy at least one box and see for yourself if you like the products, if you like the subscription service. I personally really liked it and I really enjoyed it. And yeah guys, that's all for today. I am really happy with what I got in this box. I really enjoyed unboxing the Glamego box, and if you did too, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell icon while subscribing to stay notified whenever I post a video. And I think that's all for today. Till next time, bye.